This is the most perfect, easiest eye makeup look for summer. All you need is your bronzer and an eyeliner and 2 brushes. You're gonna start with a fluffy brush, press it into the bronzer, and then you wanna just lightly sweep it across your entire eyelid, blending upwards into your crease. I like using a fluffy brush because I don't want to deposit a ton of color. Now, if you have hooded eyes, I would take the bronzer just a little bit higher than your natural crease. Now you're gonna take a small, firm, dense brush and lightly go underneath your eyes and just sweep the bronzer very softly on the outer corner and then blend the excess inwards. Now you're gonna just take your eyeliner and lightly do small dashes about 3/4 of the way over. And it doesn't have to look super precise because we're really gonna soften that line. Once you've applied the line, you're gonna take this firm, dense brush and really just smudge it out. And you're gonna actually kind of blend it upwards on your lid. And don't be afraid to really get in there. You really want to blend it out to where it almost doesn't even look like a line anymore. Here is what the line looks like when it's all blended out. So now we're gonna apply mascara and I'll be back with the final look. Okay, so I added some mascara to the top and bottom lashes. So here is the final look. It really defined my lashes. It gave me a soft, smoky bronze look that's gonna be perfect for summer.